Uptime Crew is a progressive web app. It is used to hire technician, so customer can repair their cars using this app to hire technicians. Let's see the registration process. There are two type of main user, which is customer and technician. In the customer registration, customer can register and take service from technician. If their car repair required, they can use this app and hire technician, and technician can register and give service to customer. So I'm going through the customer registration. So you need your email, password, USA phone number. So I'm using a demo one. Then you need to give a unique username. Sorry, this is a referrer, so you can select a referrer. You need to give your account details. Then you need to add your primary vehicle. Now let's see how the technician registration works. So more details required for technician registration. Any username can be given. So here the technician need to give more details like driving license and issue date, expired date, and they need to provide image of driving license, and then the technician will select the service he can provide. He can add vehicle type as well, and he can select the available times as well, the date, and from which time to which time he is available. So those information need to be added from the technician end. So here technician is giving his available time according to different dates. So this is for emergency service. He can select yes or no. Here insurance information need to be provided. We can use a social login as Google login as well. Now we're login as a customer. So this is the dashboard. So total monthly spending, how many service taken. So all the basic information are given in the dashboard. Emergency service and exclusive service. There are two types of service. If we need emergency service, we need to select emergency service. Otherwise, we can schedule a service for future time. This is the vehicle information given while registration. Here upcoming schedule will be shown, and below is the service history, the service I took or as a customer taken from this platform. I'm going to profile. You can see on the payment method. So you can add as many payment method as you want. You can delete as well. This is the primary vehicle. You can add multiple vehicles. This is the primary vehicle. You can add secondary and many other vehicles if you have multiple vehicles. I am showing the service history. So it will every service that we taken from the app is showing here. And there is a general FAQ. That's not a big feature. Let's log in as a technician. So now I am logged in as a technician. So we can see what the upcoming service, what emergency service I did, and what is the total number of service. And this is the other stat, that how much I earned from this platform. And this is the account information page. So here he can edit and update all the informations. He can add new service. He can add a new type of vehicle that he can serve. He can add, update certification, driving license, and others. This is the financial dashboard. So technician can see all the financial stat here. Now I am creating a emergency service as a customer. So to we need to log in as a customer to create an emergency service. So now I am logged in as a customer, and I am creating an emergency service. So this is the vehicle selected to ask for emergency service, or we can change the vehicle if we have multiple vehicle. So we are selecting the service. So I'm adding the information, and give note. So the nearest technician will be show up in the map. So you see, this is the customer location, and the nearest technicians are already shown in the map. And you can see there are many technicians available, and I can select a technician and confirm. I need to select a payment method. The payment method selection is must. And now you can see the window for confirming a technician, and the request sent to technician. Now let's log in as a technician to see it. Now let's log in as a technician and see how it reflects on technician's account. So socket use here, so technician will get automatic notification. So you see that a service request already popped up. So you can see in the details. Now we see the details of the request and we can accept or reject. So I am accepting. So now the service is confirmed. And the location is giving here, and it is showing the time the technician need to be arrived at that time. And because today our technician location uh, and the customer location is same, because I am using the same PC, so it is showing the same location in the map. And now there is a chat button, so technician can chat with the customer. It's like a Uber. Now it is showing that the technician is approaching to the location. When the customer location and the technician location will become same, the automatic status will be updated as arrived. So after arriving, then the time calculation will start, and the service time will start after 5 minutes of arriving. Now we can see the technician has arrived. After exact 5 minutes, the diagnosis time will start. And every time the technician can see the details of the service. Now diagnosis time has started, and the diagnosis check has started, and we are giving all the details of the diagnosis. Because the technician has hourly rate, so the diagnosis will also be charged, as well as if the technician fix it, there will be separate charge. And now a technician is fill up all the services given to the customer. And if a customer can add the services given to him, or the technician also can add the services. Here I am showing how technician will give the service. They will give a note, and then and this is the hourly rate and how much time given. And after checking, they can give the quotation, and the technician is giving estimation to the customer. So the estimation request has sent. So customer, now we need to log in as a customer and accept or reject it. Now I logged in as a customer and I can see the estimation. If the estimation customer thinks if the estimation is right, they can decline, and if the estimation is right, they can accept it. If the customer think that he wants to negotiate, then simply the customer can send message to technician to reduce price or negotiate for a specific service. If the customer thinks it is okay, then they can accept. Then the service has started. Even after accepting the service, the estimation or code, they can message each other using this platform. So let's log in as a technician. So the technician can see that the request has accepted, and now he can start the service. So after the service is started, as a proof, they can upload image, and then the technician will, after the job is done, technician will complete the service. So total service detail will be shown after completing the service, and technician can review the customer as well. The same way, the customer can review the technician as well. Now from technician end, the service is completed.